That's why Maruti Suzuki was in focus over and above a stronger performance in April. India's largest car maker's ambitious light commercial vehicle project is finally on the road to completion. Now this after it faced some speed bumps on the design front and remember was put on hold indefinitely at the start of the year, but all's well with the company now, who are eyeing volumes of 30,000 units per year from the new LCV. Ronojoy Banerjee is here with the details. Ronojoy, can you give us timelines as to by when will they reach that figure and by when will it hit the markets?
No, they will of course reach the figure by the end of the financial year, which is where they have proposed that they'll be selling 30,000 units, but they're looking at a launch date of somewhere around August, September. Now this was, remember, Maruti Suzuki's big, bold diversification, if one were to put it like that, because from being the primarily, in fact overwhelmingly the country's largest car maker, this was a decision the board had taken way back in the financial year 2014-2015 to diversify into the LCV segment, which is of course dominated by the likes of Tata Motors Ace, Mahindra and Mahindra Geo, and the Ashok Leyland product like a Dost. Now what we understand is that originally this product was supposed to be launched by the last quarter of 2014-2015. That did not happen because remember, around that time the overall passenger car market in India went into a bit of a slump, and Maruti had then taken a decision to concentrate on the home market and consolidate its position. Now we understand that the project is not only right back on the table, but will be launched in the coming 3 to 4 months. August to September is what we are being told. This plan, this LCV, which has been internally codenamed by the company as Y90, was the plan for this LCV was disclosed by the top management to some of the select vendors of the company in Thailand, because just last week the Maruti Suzuki had that annual vendors meet in Thailand, which is where they said that this product will be launched somewhere between July and September, but we are told it will be around August-September period, and they're eyeing volumes of about 30,000 units by the end of this financial year. We reached out to Maruti Suzuki spokesperson, they in fact confirming the development, saying that indeed this product will be launched by the first half of this financial year. So again, pretty much saying, you know, around August, September, but they will not be disclosing the volume numbers. The volume target will be disclosed at the time of the launch. But clearly, this is a big foray for Maruti Suzuki. Of course, the big question is whether they'll be able to recreate the magic in the LCV market. But remember, Tata Motors has a 50% market share. That is something that we'll have to wait and watch.
All right, Ronojoy, thanks for joining in with those exclusive details.